If your business is on socials, Instagram specifically, I'm sure you know how important Reels are, how much power they have to grow your Instagram page. I'm telling you everything you need to know about Reels and how to leverage this corner of social media to grow your business. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, content creation and content marketing, and work-life balance. So Reels are Instagram's version of TikTok. Instagram Reel section has trending audio, effects and filters, basic text editor. It's super simple to understand how to use it or how to even post a reel. We're getting into the Reel algorithm, what good Reel content looks like, and what type of Reels you can make for your business. So the first thing you need to understand is that the Reels algorithm and the Reels Explore page is different from your Instagram feed. What people see on the Reels page is different and separate from the content that they see from people that they're following. You can see content from anyone and anyone can see content from you, which is why Reels are so powerful and super helpful. Hello, exposure. The Reels Explore page or the Reels tab is similar to the For You page in the sense that you will constantly see content from accounts and topics of posts that you engage with. So if you only engage with makeup related posts, posts that have hashtag makeup, posts from accounts that only post about makeup, the Reels tab will suggest more makeup content for you to see on the Reels Explore page. And it's very important to keep this in mind when you're creating content so that you are targeting your target audience. Getting into how to optimize your reel, we're talking about trending audio. Trending audio is super important and it's also very useful for boosting your reels. Going along with the algorithm and how reels pop up to certain people, if you interact with a trending audio, then you're more likely to see that trending audio with other content and you're constantly getting recommended content using the same audio, which is how trending audio works. Trending audio is a sound that many creators are using and many people are interacting with, so this should be a top priority on your Reels checklist. I always suggest using trending audio as a surefire way to boost your Instagram performance. The next way to optimize your Reels is to make sure that the quality of your content is good. We're going to get into what goes into a viral reel at the end of this video, but this is also another way to optimize the performance, to post at the optimal posting time. So the optimal posting time for Reels are different for every account, and as I said before, your feed and your Reel tab have separate algorithms. So when you go into your account and you check your insight, it'll tell you the time that your followers are most active, but like I said, that is different from the Reels tab. To find the best posting time for your Reels is basically like a game. It can be a little tricky to pinpoint, but once you find it, your Reels will be hitting high numbers consistently. Start by posting your Reels at the time that your followers are most active according to your insight and keep track of the performance. When you post a Reel, Instagram does not tell you what time it's been posted, so you need to write this down and literally track your analytics. You should also be experimenting with posting at different times and see which one is doing better right out of the gate. Reels can blow up instantly or even within a week. Make sure the quality of your content is consistent in the reels that you're experimenting with. Know that the only factor that's affecting the performance is the timing. I do have a Reels planner linked down below that includes a reel performance tracker that helps you stay organized with planning your content. That can help you figure out the best time to post for your account. And now we're moving on to the recipe for a good reel. So all of these viral reels and these viral videos have a couple things in common, including good quality, short, sweet, and to the point concept, and enticing emotion from the viewer. So when I talk about good quality, I mean good lighting. Make sure the subject of your video is clear. It isn't really a question of what the point of your video is. I'm not saying you have to go out and buy a really expensive camera to make reels and TikToks with, but just make sure that the quality of your reel and what your viewer is looking at is easy to understand. Another quality of viral reel, we're talking about the lip syncing one specifically. Your lip syncing is synced, meaning they aren't lagging or mouthing the words according to the audio. When you think about photo dumps or dancing videos, the content is matching up with the audio, which can also help entice emotion from what you're watching. Think about a really good dancing video and someone hits a really cool move when the beat drops, you're left feeling like that was the most amazing thing you've ever seen, and then you drop a like. You can do this with any type of video. That's the beauty of adding audio to your video, which brings me into enticing emotion. Connect with your target audience somehow, whether your video is relatable, just entertaining, or gives some type of value. Your audience something to take away from your content, and that will also leave them wanting more. And that's how you get a follow. At least you'll get a like. So hopefully you know a little bit more about how reels work, how to optimize them for your business page, how to get the ball rolling to growing your Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, don't forget to like. It really does help my channel. Interested in seeing more content like this, I definitely suggest subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!